Make a great choice today with the 2026 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.